Superior quality, plush and soft for a comfortable feel. Easily installed in seconds and removed in seconds, effortlessly folded and stored AWA. Machine washable, durable, one size fits most. Perfect for pets, use under baby seats to prevent damage to seats, great to use after the beach, gym, or after yoga, running or tennis. Seat towel may slip out of place after sitting, so adjust accordingly. Straps are not included on the bottom of towel due to potential airbag deployment issues. Seat Armour car seat protector towels are quickly becoming the essential automotive accessory that not only protects your car upholstery from damaging elements but also doubles as the ultimate car seat towel that can be used everywhere you go. This 100% cotton terry, velour sear auto seat cover will fit over any car headrest and fit comfortably over the car seat, protecting your car seat upholstery from stains, dust and perspiration, helping you keep your car seats looking like brand new. What's more, Seat Armour car seat protector towels come branded with your favorite logos. From NBA, NCAA, NFL, automotive brands, and the armed forces, you can choose from a wide range of your favorite logos to accessorize your car seat. Also, Seat Armour car seat protector towels are specially designed keeping your car's safety features in mind. The automotive industry has seen fit to produce cars with various airbag deployment points. At Seat Armour, we ensure that our product does not hinder or compromise your safety at the slightest. With no cumbersome pullovers or straps, Seat Armour car seat protector towels just slip over the headrest and grip tight at the base. In the unfortunate event of an airbag deployment, Seat Armour car seat protector towel will flex and move away, never constricting deployment. To ensure longevity of product, tuck into seat before sitting. A simple adjustment will ensure the towel will last a long time without any wear and tear. Top reviews from the United States. Present for the wife. Great product, my wife loves it. It does exactly what it's supposed to do. Keep the sand out of the seat.